Gavana we kaunti ya Kisii omoske Paul Simba Arati ritukolia lero ni gatare kinyagitari ao imeye kaunti bunenjireye mo yoko erokia obwanchani naboigo gusanga anene nabali no konyora wainse anene kinyagitari naboigo kuba esukuku chinga kechiga ni gatarira anene nyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital asebono abaganirie esukuku ngiya naboigo gukwanira amangana yo kwirenda anene chinga kichiga chiemeyega Yesu guku asatebira abantu kibale chipara babe maiso naboigo bali babangete gukora ibikora byo busaria betange kigima kwagoigo guchengera litukeri ga senchira engiya naboigo kuyarigania omwaka asenchirelia ewenerete.
KTRH, I'm going to other facilities, private, because I finished from the public one, to check and wish those ones in hospital well-being and give them gifts for the Christmas. Of course, I've done that. I've seen close to 600 patients in my facility here. I've seen also the state story of our facility, one of the buildings which was condemned, where we evacuated over 500 patients. Two, I've seen doctors, they are doing a very good work. And I want to thank the clinicians, especially in Kisii. They are not on strike because we have managed their affairs well. Those bit that we have not been able to really fix, we're trying to fix. Again, after finishing, I found that the Deputy Inspector General is in Kisii with the security team. I've given him the brief on a number of insecurity incidents around, the issues of drug trafficking here in town, especially bangi, which comes from all the way from Tanzania. Given this is the highway, it may be reaching many other parts of the country. And I'm agreeing with the county commandant to really put up a good case against all these people. We have realized most of these people, some of them who have indulged in drugs, they have a lot of money. They can easily buy their freedom. If they ask for 10 million, they'll pay in cash in court. We'll urge the judiciary to help us and help the society, as it were, so that we can have a future generation, which is our pride. Therefore, on issues of security, I'll leave it to the DIG because there's a big man here. Bwana DIG, Karibu Kisii.
Thank you.
Kisii is the most secure place than any other part in the country. That one I can tell you. Your officers, they'll tell you, other than small incidents of insecurity, but we are doing very well. We have managed, and I want to say, all good, bad people, I'm their governor. I'm trying to see how we manage the whole situation. Otherwise, I want to wish the Kenyans Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And for those ones on the road, please let us take caution, obey and observe traffic rules because we have tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.